our best clients are the ones who forget about us, we forget about them because everything is running. Of course, there's a price to pay for the cleaning, but it's not just the cleaning that you are purchasing from us. That's not the only service. It's, kind of the third or fourth thing that we provide. I think one of the primary things we provide is a reliable, clean space, and from a worker and a team that you can trust and count on, that's safe and secure and trained. And that's not something that other cleaning companies can always provide, that they sub out the work and they give it to another person who isn't trained, who isn't insured. And the value that we provide is really the getting someone to the same spot, the same night, and doing the exact same stuff in a reliable way that you don't even have to think about. We're tracking it in the background. We see that our workers are there. They're filling out the checklists. And there's nothing even to talk about because the space is clean. So that's like the value is no headaches, your space is clean, we don't even have to talk about anything. We talk about it at the end of the year when we send like a thank you for the year gift, and that's pretty much it. Those are the best clients that we provide stability for. Another thing that we actually provide, myself as a business owner, I know a lot of people, so we have a really big network of vendors, and I'm frequently able to recommend electricians, painters, plumbers, kind of any other kind of issues that you're having in your space. We have a large network of people who are working in the city, and we're always able to, throw a couple of recommendations if a client is in trouble with whatever they're dealing with. Of course, there's building managers that we know, and we work, closely with facilities. And it's just one of those things that being a real business owner in the city, I have my own network, and that has been, given to my clients as well.